You know, sometimes being President of the United States can be a little stressful. But I do what I can to bring this country change. Hey, Joe B, how's the economy doing?
I don't know.
Attaboy. Hey, Linda, how's the economy doing?
Bad.
Well, time to bring out the executive orders. Executive order. Hey, how about Obamacare?
Not good.
Executive order. How about the Bulls game?
It's a shame.
Executive order. And how about that sandwich?
Annoying.
Executive order. Well, break time.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving Mitt.
These birds sure are angry. Isn't that right, Joe?
I don't know.